Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for early learners worksheet activity. A colorful train. Trace the dotted lines and complete the train. See here, train. Trace the dotted lines. Trace the dotted lines. And complete the train. Trace the dotted lines and complete the train. A colorful train. A colorful train. A colorful train. Trace the dotted lines. Trace the dotted lines to complete the train. Trace the dotted lines. Slowly can trace the dotted lines. Slowly trace the dotted lines to complete the train. Trace the dotted lines. Trace the dotted lines. This is wheel. Wheel. Sun. Trace the dotted lines and complete the train. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.